Okay, here we have our power supply, our fuse holder, and our switch. With the wires coming in from the back, we have the blue wire that is leading from the transformer all the way to the left side bottom of the switch, top of the switch, sorry. We have another blue wire, would be this one down here, is also coming from the control card, and that one's going to the bottom left side of the on and off switch. Then we have our brown wires. We have a long brown wire, again coming from over here, goes to the right side of the switch, and then underneath that one is the jumper that goes to the top of the fuse, or to the sides of the fuses. The second brown one goes to the back and comes all the way to over here. Cut some tie wraps so you can see it better. So the jumper brown goes from the bottom right side of the on and off switch to the forward part of the fuse holder. That's this jumper. And the one that goes to the fuse holder is the one that goes to the actual power cord over here. So the brown that comes out of here goes to the fuse holder. The other brown goes to the other side of the switch. Hope this helps.